you need is a mug.
Go on.
4 tablespoons of plain flour.
Right. You're actually going to make a cake in a mug and cook it in a mug.
It's a quick fix for one of those days when you've had a bit of a bad day and you just want to have some cake and ice cream and sit on the sofa and watch a box set.
Rightio.
2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 of caster sugar. And we'll just mix that up. So mix all the dry ingredients together. So then I'm going to crack this egg into here, into my mug, and then 3 tablespoons of oil, veg oil, sunflower oil, and 3 of milk.
Right. 2, 3.
There we go. Fork, and just whisk it all together. It's not a pretty cake. It's not one of those cakes that you're going to go, oh, that looks beautiful, but it does the job.
Right.
That's it. Mixed together. That goes into the microwave for 3 minutes on full power.
So it all puffs up.
Yeah. And there you have, look, I just go around the edges of it. It's actually not too hot because it's been in the microwave, but look, you've got your lovely cake in a mug. And then you can squirt cream on top of it, a little bit of icing sugar, tub of ice cream.